things I love about HONK is not only that I started with them, but my life changed with them. You know, from 2 years ago, beginning of COVID, I didn't have much. I just had a vision, and I stuck to it. I didn't give up. I bought a little Chevy Blazer for $100 from the auction, fixed it up, and started the Escort, whatever. I started that, and I just kept grinding with that, and I didn't have another car. I sold everything I had just to start my business. I invested in my business, and now 2 years later with HONK, I'm in a very good position where now I have 3 flatbeds and looking to purchase another one. And not only that, I just bought a Range Rover. It's one of my dream cars. I have a few other ones that I probably will get, in the future. Just gotta keep grinding. But HONK, that's why I dedicate to them. That's why, they're the main priority because of achievement and the goals that I accomplished with HONK. And now I'm up here, on a little vacation, shopping around and stuff like that. And it puts me in a real good position to where I can just turn the app off, and just come up, chill, and then go back down to Long Island and turn it back on, and back to work again. Being up here, I just estimate I probably missed a few $1,000s, not doing HONK this weekend, but I have the freedom to do that, and I love it. Yeah.